Hi, and welcome to the Burton Band's Posterior Kit video demo series. In this particular video, we will just be going over kit contents of your new Burton Band's Posterior Kit. In future videos and other videos on the site, we will go into detail on indications for use, how to use them, and any quick Q&As and quick tips and things like that. But when you receive your kit, this is what it will look like, and if I flip it over and open it up, you will notice that there will be an array of different components within the kit. And so just to break it down, I've split them out back here in the back so you can see them on the top. And there's basically two different sized matrix systems here. So on this side you have these matrix bands, which are a bit larger than these that you can see. So this would be considered our large Burton Band's posterior matrix, and this would be considered our small Burton Band's posterior matrix. And you'll notice that there is a left and a right hand for each matrix size. And the reason is that the matrix band is bonded to the splitting wedge on different sides, and so based on where you need to use it. And so the third thing that you'll receive in here is an optional, it's a totally optional piece, is the thing called a force wedge. And that is actually designed to, in certain cases where you have a large embrasure, and again, there's other videos on indications, but you can use this to actually slide in between the splitting wedges, which you can see on this matrix band that's standing on its head. You can actually use it to slide in between those wedges and lock the system into place. And that's the basic layout of your Burton Band's posterior kit.